Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, classic full-size pickup equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain. With 169,000 original miles, this truck has been driven but remains in good running and driving condition, showing the durability these models are known for. Finished in a bold red exterior with a contrasting brown interior, it offers a timeless, rugged appearance that fits its era perfectly. The truck holds a clean title, adding peace of mind for the next owner. Overall, this 1989 Chevrolet 1500 stands as a dependable and well-rounded option for anyone looking for a solid, classic 4x4 pickup with proven performance and everyday usability.
Number 2.
1992 Ford F-150, price $6,450, with 152,000 miles, is presented in solid condition and well-maintained. This truck comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a red interior, and is powered by the legendary 5.0L V8 engine. The vehicle has recently undergone service, including new gaskets and main seals, and currently shows no leaks whatsoever. In addition, it features a brand new rebuilt transmission, with receipts available for both the engine work and the transmission rebuild. It runs and drives smoothly, delivering reliable performance on the road. The body is rust-free, and even the original side mirrors remain intact and in working condition. The truck holds a clean green title and has been clearly cared for over the years.
Number 3.
1996 GMC 2500, price $7,200. It has 172,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered small block V8 engine. Finished in green with a tan interior, this truck comes well appointed with power seats, power windows, and power mirrors, along with cold air conditioning for added comfort. The tan interior is exceptionally clean, showing no tears or stains, and it has just received a complete professional detailing. It also retains its factory cassette deck and CD player, preserving its original character. A recent tune-up was completed, including new spark plugs and a new air filter. On the exterior, the body is in great shape with no dents or damage, and the paint remains glossy with no clear coat peeling. It features a plastic bed liner, a matching green fiberglass canopy, running boards, and a tow package with a 2-inch receiver hitch.
Number 4.
1997 Isuzu Hombre, price $4,500, with only 90,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 2.2L 4-cylinder engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, finished in red with a gray interior and powered by gasoline. The truck also features power steering and ABS. Though it does not have factory air conditioning, this particular example was purchased from its original owner a little over a year ago and has since received extensive maintenance and upgrades. Recent replacements include the radiator, spark plugs and wires, fuel filter, both oxygen sensors, ignition coils, inner and outer tie rods, water pump, and thermostat, along with a professional alignment. It also has a fresh oil change and rides on new Les Schwab tires. Additional upgrades include a Sony CD player with USB and Bluetooth connectivity, new speakers, and an installed dashcam.
Number 5.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,000, well-maintained and reliable full-size pickup that has traveled 179,000 miles. It is equipped with a 5.2L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and smooth performance. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been part of the same family for the past 10 years and currently serves as a dependable daily driver. The truck runs and drives great with no known issues. It has recently received several updates, including a new water pump and a new windshield. The tires and brakes are in good condition, and everything on the vehicle functions properly. It also features a MagnaFlow exhaust system that produces a deep, powerful, and noticeable sound, adding to its strong presence on the road. While it could benefit from an AC recharge and a full detailing, it remains a solid and dependable truck in good overall condition.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,650, solid and dependable full-size pickup that has been driven 195,000 miles and remains in great overall condition. Finished in a sleek black exterior paired with a charcoal interior, this truck stands out with its dark gray leather seating, giving it a clean and upscale appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by the reliable 5.3L LS V8 engine, matched with a smooth automatic transmission, providing strong performance and consistent power. This gasoline-powered truck is well-suited for both everyday driving and heavier-duty tasks. It comes equipped with factory-polished alloy wheels that enhance its look, along with air conditioning for comfort in all seasons. Additional features include a tow package for hauling capability, power windows, and power door locks for added convenience.
Number 7.
1970 Ford F250, price $7,000. The truck is equipped with a 390 engine paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor and an automatic C6 transmission. The truck has 86,000 miles on the odometer and runs and rolls, though it does require additional work. It features a beige exterior with a blue interior and is powered by gasoline. Several mechanical components have been rebuilt or replaced, including the C6 automatic transmission and the power steering gearbox. It also comes with a new starter, new front brakes, shocks, and front tires, along with a newer alternator and water pump.
However, the engine has low compression in 4 cylinders, and there is rust present in the typical areas for a vehicle of its age.
Overall, it presents as a solid project truck with many recent updates already completed.
Number 8.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 89,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in gold with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered truck features a manual 4-speed transmission that delivers a true old-school driving experience. This custom deluxe 4x4 short bed model stands out for its strong condition, showing no frame rust and no dents in the bed.
Everything on the truck is reported to be in working order.
From close inspection, it appears that the body corners have not been replaced. The truck has recently been repaired where needed and professionally primed, making it ready for paint and personalization. With its clean structure, desirable 4x4 setup, and classic styling, it would make an excellent fall guy special style truck or a standout vintage weekend cruiser.
Number 9.
1979 Ford F150, price $5,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine with a 2WD drivetrain. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this gasoline-powered truck shows original miles and remains in impressive condition for its age. It runs and drives excellently, with strong brakes and a solid set of tires. Everything functions as it should, reflecting the care it has received over the years.
The truck retains its original paint and body, showcasing a genuine and attractive patina.
It is described as very solid, with no hidden rust. What you see is exactly what you get. In addition, the vehicle comes with extensive maintenance records and documentation, further highlighting its well-maintained history.
Number 10.
1996 Dodge Dakota, price $1,250, powered by a 318 V8 engine and equipped with 2-wheel drive. It has been sitting for approximately 6 months and is currently producing some lifter noise. However, the owner is confident that the sound will diminish with regular driving, as the engine was running quietly when the truck was parked last summer. The vehicle starts right up without hesitation and has consistently proven to be reliable. This Dakota features a straight body with solid panels and a well-kept interior that remains in nice condition for its age. The truck comes with a reconstructed title in hand, making it ready for its next owner.